Imagine you need to take an approval for a memo, but you have thousands of memos to be approved. Not only that, most of the time you have visit approving person as well. As an alternative method, you can send an email to each person. But how frustrating it is. But these methods will create many problems, especially when you are a big organization and having thousands of memos. As an example, there will be issues regarding to accountability, data integrity, and security. Also, these process will consume a considerable amount of time. Is there any solution for these problems and approve my memo on time with a speed-up process? Yes, of course. CBC Tech Solutions Limited, a fully owned subsidiary of Commercial Bank of Ceylon plc, has developed Memorandum circulation and approval system, primarily focusing on commercial bank as an in-house product. In short, we called it as MCAS. What are the features of MCAS? First, we discuss about features available for all. Dynamic workflows. This will allow users to create custom workflows for their memos as their wish. Also, you can save these workflows as templates for future use. MCAS can be integrated with your existing Active Directory or even with your existing HR application. Also, MCAS will be expanded through variety of APIs in future to be integrated with other systems in the bank. In order to secure your files, MCAS features SFTP file upload facilities. Throughout the approval process, email notifications will be available to speed up the approval level. MCAS features a complete timeline, which features every in and out of your memo, starting to the end. It even features the time taken in every stage as well. There were a variety of options available in MCAS related to stranded memo approval process. Memo returns, request for clarifications, third-party references, CC parties can be stated as some of the examples. MCAS features variety of administrative features in order to manage it. Role-based user management is available to manage users. Comprehensive audit reports were available to capture every move. Options to bypass memo recommenders through admin. Force return memos through admin. Make memos mark as unread through admin. All these administrative features will help MCAS to speed up the approval process of memos and provide a great service for its users. So how to create a memo using MCAS? First, we log into MCAS. The solution can be integrated with your organization existing Active Directory. Once login, you will receive the welcoming dashboard. This will consist of main core components of MCAS for general user. My approvals consists of memos related to your approvals. My memos represent memos initiated by you. Action taker represent memos need your action after the approval. So why wait, let's proceed. We are going to create a memo using MCAS now. First, you need to provide memo name, followed up by memo description. Memo date and memo originator will be filled automatically. In MCAS, you can select priority of your memo. You can upload multiple files within a single click. The most renowned feature of MCAS is the dynamic workflows. You can use pre-saved workflows or you can create a new dynamic workflow. In this example, we are going to create a new workflow. Select New Workflow and click Add Approvers. You can easily adjust the approval order as well. The beauty of this solution is that you can search and select approvers. The system can be integrated with your existing HR application. Once you have completed all, you can click on Send. In here you can save the workflow as a template for future use. Once the memo is submitted through MCAS, First Recommender will receive an automatic email notification. This email contains the summary of memo. Through the automatic email notification, the First Recommender can log into MCAS. Once log in, you can click on My Approvals. The pending items for your approval or recommendation will be shown at your first glance. But there were a variety of tabs available to view your past approvals, rejected items, returns items, or even new reference requests. In order to recommend the memo, you need to identify the memo through pending items. For that, there were a variety of search options available in MCAS. Also, a summary of memo is available in your pending dashboard as well. This includes memo name, originated date, originated unit, and initiated date. Also, if you closely notice, there is flag available as well. Flag color will represent the priority of the memo. When you click on View, you will be directed to the in-detail view of the memo. This view will start with the basic memo information and proceeding to uploaded documents. Also, this screen includes each recommender and final approver information for memo as well. The beauty of MCAS comes in the bottom, where a complete timeline is available for each step taken to your memo is shown as a summary. At the end, you were given three main options: recommend, request a third-party reference, or make memo mark as unread. When you click recommend, you will receive a pop-up window. In here you can recommend memo to the next level. But there were options available to return it to the initiator. If you are confident enough, MCAS provide you an option to stop the workflow and provide final approval if there is a necessity. But in this example, we are going to put a comment and submit the memo to the next level. Once all the recommendations and final approval is received, initiator will be notified via email. Initiator can log into MCAS and click My Memos. Same as the approver screens, initiator also having tab screens catered to each status of their memo. Approved items represent memos initiated by myself which were recommended by all and approved. When you click on Approved Memo, you can view all the details from the In Detail view, including the timeline. If there is a necessity, we can assign memo to an action taker for future actions. With the implementation of MCAS to commercial bank, it boosted the memo approval process up to 3 times faster than the normal, providing a much value addition and key benefits to the organization. As an in-house product, MCAS gave much value addition to the company. As of now, for a month, it maintains more than 100 workflows with 1,000 plus recommendations. All these recommendations and approvals were performed manually by staff members before MCAS. There were countless number of benefits given by this in-house product. As a summary, MCAS guided the organization to a green initiative approach, where the usage of paper is reduced drastically. Also, during lockdown period, MCAS helped get approval for memos on time with the help of its inbuilt features. The main key benefit of this product was the efficiency and boost given when it comes to the time period of approving a memo. Time taken to approve a memo was reduced by 3 times the original after implementation of MCAS. The solution developed under the pillars of latest technology and standards. MCAS by CBC Tech Solutions Limited. Exclusively developed as an in-house product for Commercial Bank of Ceylon plc.